Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the flower language TikTok trend tutorial. So here I've already opened the TikTok apps and you can just start by opening the app. After that, you can click on the search column at the top and type in flower language CapCut. This one. And after that, here you can just click on any video, but make sure that it has this CapCut try this template option. So click on that option and just click on use template in CapCut. Okay, now CapCut will opening the template. Here is the preview of the template. You can just click on the use template after that. And in here, just select the media for a background. Okay, for example, I'm going to use this one as the media. Click on next. Just wait until the effect is loading. And now what you need to do is go to text and click on type in your names. Click on edit. And now I'm going to just write my name in here. And this is the result. So you can just click on export after that. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.